Hello everybody, just figured I'd give you guys one last peek at the car, because the only thing I did all day was wax it. I didn't do anything else but put the car up on rims all the way around, so that way I can get up underneath here, drop the oil pan, do the rear main seal and the oil pan gasket, and see what the hell's going on with that freaking starter, that it keeps grinding out or shorting out both sides of the battery. And I even have myself set up with a light, so if I decide to come out here at night, I could do that if I want. Yes, like and subscribe, because you just never know when I'm going to actually post another video. Could be a lot sooner than you think. I bet you y'all didn't believe that I was actually going to post a video after that live stream. But, yep, we sure did. So, let's see. There's that side. Of course, it's my non-running car for now. But the starter is not caught up right now either. So we have that side. And then we have this side. That's about all that's left, folks. That's all I really got to do left on the paint. But now we can do more important things, like get the damn car running. All right, everybody. That's going to be the end of this one. Like and subscribe. And press that little bell thing for post notifications, damn it.